Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today, I would like to talk to you about a company that I already mentioned in one of my videos on February 5th. After my video, within 10 days, this company gained 500%. But because of the correction we had, this company lost quite a bit. And Friday, the last trading day in February, this company was selling a discount of 50%. Today, the very first trading day of March, this company gained 25%. Within one day. And I think that this company has a great potential. And at this moment, despite the correction we had in the market, this company gained 300% since the first time I mentioned it in my channel. Before we dive into the stock, I would really appreciate if you can smash that like button. It's not going to cost you anything, but it will help YouTube algorithm to promote my channel, and it will help the growth of the channel and help me to share knowledge with more people. Maybe also consider leaving a comment or maybe even subscribe. I would truly appreciate that. Now, let's dive right into the stock. So the stock I'm going to be talking to you about is Social Life Network, ticker WDLF. The first time I mentioned the stock was February 5th. You can't even see it on the chart, but since then, it went 500% up and had its peak on February 17th, which was Wednesday. Since then, as we know, we had a correction and it lost 50% by Friday, which was the lowest point for the company. But on the last trading day, we can see that this company gained a lot. They went up as much as 25% and a little bit more than 1.3% in aftermarket. So if we look at the 5-day chart, we can see something very interesting. So this company actually went up as much as 53% at the opening of trading day today, but then it corrected. Now if we will go back to the 1-day chart, we can see it corrected and lost 13% at one point of time, and then was kind of trading sideways, but then it started to gain again, lose again, gain again. So what it tells me is that right at the beginning of the market, a lot of people took their profits. But this is still a very attractive company, so it was trading sideways and then it started gaining more momentum. So my prediction would be is that this company is going to gain even more momentum with these following days. So what is Social Life Network? Social Life Network is a technology business incubator that provides tech startups with seed technology development, legal guidance, and executive leadership, making it easier for startup founders to focus on raising capital, perfecting their business model, and growing their network. They were founded in 2013, so it's a pretty established company already. Their revenue includes 5% fee from all the profits the company does, and 15% stake of the company as soon as the company goes public. As of fourth quarter of 2020, this company had 7 licensees, which means it helped 7 startups to grow their business. And 3 of those startups we're actually getting ready to trade on NASDAQ and NYSE. Something important I need to mention is that this company doesn't take just any tech startup and starts developing it. There are a few requirements. So as you can see here, all licensees have a prerequisite of raising a minimum $1 million USD, 10 investors, and 10 industry experts as board advisors before the consideration of joining their technology business incubator. That means for this company to even look at you, you already have to have $1 million at least, and you have to have a big advisory board. You have to have investors, so they don't just pick up anyone from the floor and try to make them a new star. They actually work with companies that are at least a little bit established, and with the companies that already have investors. So what's special about this company is their social networking and e-commerce platforms are developed for niche industry startups that aim to solve the unique problems for professionals and consumers struggle with online. Another interesting thing is that their company is based on artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. So to give you an example, this company is actually focused on kind of e-commerce for very specific niches. A lot of times it's kind of mixing LinkedIn and Facebook Marketplace. I'll show you a few of their licensees. Let's say one of them is MJ Link. So you can connect, learn, and network and do business with other cannabis industry professionals from around the world on MJ Link Business Social Network. Another website connected to MJ Link is, let's say, Weed Life. So you can connect and learn and share with other cannabis enthusiasts from around the world with your own Weed Life social network. Another one is Likery. So you can connect with thousands of professionals of real estate and you can share, pictures, videos, open houses, special events with the realtors around the world. Another one would be HuntPost. So it's pretty much social e-marketplace for the hunters around the world. So these guys are kind of opposite to the LinkedIn, where everybody connects to everybody. They have a specific social network for hunters, golfers, people who like weed, real estate professionals, So these guys are very, very focused on the niche market. It's very important to understand how their revenue model works. So their licenses are paying them 5% fee. So 5% of total e-commerce revenues goes to them, 5% of total digital subscription services, 5% of total ad revenue, and moreover, 15% of the stake of the company goes to them as soon as that company hits the liquidity level. Now let's jump into the news. But before I talk about the news, I would really appreciate if you can smash that like button. Remember, it's not going to cost you anything, but it will help the YouTube algorithm to promote my video. So more people would see it and more people will discover this company. And now into the news. So they have a very, very helpful news section on their website. We can see all kind of news here. So why I think this is very helpful? So because they have this page, we can actually track the progress for each of the licensees they have, which is very, very helpful to understand how things are going and, if company is actually growing and doing something or not. So let's say, look at his here. MJLink.com launches new mobile app. WDLF.com launches new mobile app. HuntPost social marketplace launches new mobile app. So you can see that every licensee, they help them launch their website and mobile app. New mobile app, new mobile app, another mobile app. So this website is actually really, really helpful to understand if the company is doing anything, if it's working with new licensees or not, or it's kind of sitting on the same spot. Now into the big news. So on February 11th, they announced that they retired all of convertible notes, so don't have debt anymore, which is great. And another big news is Social Life Network added new companies to its tech incubator for the 2021. Let's go through this article quickly. So on February 26th, they announced that Social Life Network added 2 brand new companies to its tech incubator in the first quarter, and it plans to complete the due diligence on 3 more companies by the end of March of 2021. So here's a statement from CEO Ken Tapp. Management goal for the first quarter of 2021 was to retire all existing convertible debt, complete the due diligence on the last 3 new companies that we could add to a tech incubator in the first half of 2021, and assisted 3 of our existing licenses, MJ Link, Link.Re, and HuntPost, with their regulation A Tier 2 pre-IPOs. So they did everything they promised, which are great results. On February 11th, the company reported that it had retired 100% of the convertible notes, completing the first phase of their growth strategy for 2021. Now the company can focus on growing revenue instead of being worried about the debt. On February 26, 2021, Social Life Network completed negotiation and signing of 2 new licensees to their niche industries, and the addition to the cannabis, hunting, fishing, camping, real estate, golfing, cycling, racket sports, and soccer industries, Social Life Network added space and car racing enthusiast networks to its growing portfolio. So you can see that this company is laser focused on the growth, and I think a lot of good things are coming for this company. I would also like to talk to you about their financials. So we can see that since 2017, they're constantly growing their gross profit. Yes, we can also see that their net income since 2017 is actually kind of quite high and it's negative, but that is when you look at the annuals. If we look at their quarterly revenues, we can see that their net income is actually getting to the zero. They were losing money, but it looks like 2021 is going to be the first year they're actually going to be profitable. And now let's go back to the stock. So these guys were on a huge sale and they lost as much as 50% by Friday, the last trading day of February. But today was a great day. They gained almost 25% within just one trading day. If we look at the one-day graph, we can see that a lot of people took their profit and they were trading sideways for quite some time. But then they started gaining and they gained another 14%, corrected, so people took their profits. And right at the end of the market, they started to gain again. I personally really believe in this company. I think they're going to perform very, very well. Yes, today was a very green on the market and everything bounced back. And we saw some crazy gains. Apple gained 5%, Tesla gained 6%, Etsy gained 11%. Those are multi-billion-dollar companies. This is a very small market cap company, only $86 million. But I think they have a great future. More and more people spend their time on social networks. And when they have a very niche social networks, such as hunting, golfing, or weed, I think they're going to perform very, very well. And that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. There are a few things I would like to remind you. Well, first of all, this is a penny stock. So penny stocks are high volatility stocks. You can gain a lot, but you can also lose a bunch. Second thing I would like to remind you, don't forget to smash the like button. And the third one, there is a subscribe button there down below as well. Consider subscribing to the channel. I would truly appreciate that. And once again, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great trading week.